Back everyone. You may be experiencing an issue with your AirPods case where for some reason it keeps blinking either orange or it keeps blinking white. Most likely it'll probably be blinking orange if you're watching this video. Now if that ends up happening, what that pretty much means is that your AirPods case is essentially not charged that much. So if it's under like 20%, 30% or something like that, your AirPods case may actually end up just blinking orange. So what you want to do and what I would recommend doing is taking your iPhone or your Android or whatever, putting them close to your device and making sure they're connected. Now you should be able to see that the battery case right here is, connected. Now you can see my battery is actually less than, whatever it should be. It's on low power mode. So what I would need to do is I would need to go ahead and connect my AirPods to a charger, and that should end up fixing the issue. Now for some reason that doesn't fix it, the next thing I would recommend doing is to fully reset your AirPods and reconnect them to your iPhone or Android. So what this means is we pretty much make our way back to our back of the AirPods case right here. And we want to flip this case open and we want to hold down that button that I just showed you until the front light starts blinking white. So when that's blinking white like this, you want to go ahead and bring your iPhone right next to the AirPods and you should see this little pop-up come up. Now, sometimes this may not end up coming up. Sometimes it may say something like, oh, these AirPods are new AirPods or whatever. But what you want to do is you want to reconnect them. So you can make your way over to your Bluetooth settings right here. And you want to find your AirPods, which I think they were these ones, but I could be wrong. So when you reconnect them like this, you can pretty much see that we now have this green light and your orange light should pretty much go away. Now, if your orange light is still there, I would recommend taking your AirPods out and retrying this whole entire process, especially charging your AirPods, because if they're not charged, then your AirPods or your AirPods inside the case may not be charged at all. So that's pretty much how to fix it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.